YouTube, welcome back to another video. My name is Rooney and today I'm going to be walking through my entire iOS 17 home screens and lock screens and everything that I talked about in the video before this one. I completely realized that I did not, I made customizations, I completely customized everything, but I did not actually show the entire thing. And also that video was super long, so I did not want to make it any longer and harder for me to edit. So here's a separate video where I'm going over everything. 1 a.m. eyes closed, I'm slowly falling. Okay, we're starting off. So this is my home screen lock page. As you can see, it has a little animated Pikachu, and I have widgets for Snapchat, my fitness app, and just the calendar app. If I scroll up, this is my home page. So as you can see, there's no other pages, just this. And I really love that because I get straight to the point. It has the apps that I use the most, which are Snapchat, Netflix, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, my mail apps, calendar, settings. You get the point. Basically, all these apps are here, and that's basically it. All these apps are here. These are the apps that I use the most. Now we're going to check out different focus modes. So let's go first to our work mode. As you can see, the background changed as soon as I did that. And ta-da! Again, one home screen. That will be the case for every single focus mode of mine. Here I have, again, mail, I have music, I have calendars, Notion, those types of things. I should have probably added my banking app here too as well. I probably will do that after this. And then again, the hotbar at the bottom, that's probably the only thing that blends or that doesn't blend in and sticks out. But I needed my home screen, or I call it the bar, my hotbar, to kind of fit in with everything. I mean, I guess it doesn't fit in here, but it sticks out. That's okay. I really like this giraffe, giraffe background. And you can see there's something going on with a shadow underneath each app. And I'm not sure why that is. I think it might be the blank character thing that I was doing before. I think it might be a little glitched. I'm not sure. But I'm too lazy to redo it. So we're sticking with this forever now. And you can see at the top here, there's different app blank icons. And you can see it's just a shortcut that has nothing in it. But I just added to home screen with a blank app icon that's the same color as the background, so then it blends in. And so that's that basically. Okay, let's check out my next one, which is the sleep one. That my different focus modes here: sleep, do not disturb, and driving are all just the same home screen that we already went over, so I'm not going to go over those. This one is probably my favorite. It's called Stardew Time, and it's actually my gaming home screen. So here I have a lot of different content apps. So YouTube, Twitch, and Netflix. I usually put those on in the background while I'm playing Stardew or Minecraft or any game that I really like. I usually like to have things going on on my TV. I cast it to my TV and then just play games. I also have Discord. Not that I use it. I really I'm a part of all types of Discord servers, but I don't actually ever use them. I don't know what's wrong with me. A music app, again, just in case I need to listen to music while playing games. And then the Stardew Wiki, because why not, you know? Ta-da! Okay. Yes, and I like the little leaf icon there. Next is my recording and editing, which I guess I should be in right now. Again, one home screen. And here are a lot of apps. We got YouTube, YouTube Studio, we got Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Calendar, CapCut, Notion, X, Instagram, TikTok, all of those. And then of course the background is Queen Valkyrie. I've been watching her for years now. I can't believe it, but yeah, she's just literally the coolest person ever. So I made her my background. A little bit parasocial, but I swear I'm not like that, okay? I swear. And then we have our school one, which is just, again, I think I messed up a little bit. Like, you can see the app icons kind of stick out a little bit. They don't blend in fully, but that's okay. I was really into Avatar: The Last Airbender, the live action, but I couldn't find good live action background photos, so I just used the animated one. Gotta love Appa. Here, assortment of apps. Do not judge me for having Pokemon Go here, okay? Sometimes I get bored at school and I just need to check what Pokemon are there. And it kind of, like the order, the hierarchy, the rows, it kind of goes from most used apps daily to least used apps daily. So at the bottom there, we got like Zoom. At the top, the Microsoft To Do app, which by the way, shout out to my other video where I talk about like the most productive apps, the 5 most productive apps. And that's one of the apps that I use every single day of my life. So go check it out. And then are we done? No, we have fitness. The last one is Gymshark. The background of Gymshark. I have a couple of apps here: health, journal, fitness, or music. The fitness app, I just use like the basic widget because I honestly, again, functionality. I'm not going to try and disguise it and make like a whole different widget for it. One, because I don't have those widget slots because I'm not paying for the widget services. But I'm just using the free versions. I just realized I haven't been showing off my different lock screens. Anything has, I think this one. I'll go back to the starting one because here's the coolest lock screen, I think. Oh, that's not it. Ta-da! You can see it's just like a blurred version of the home screen. And look at that seamless transition. You see that? At the bottom there? Like, how cool is that? That it goes from blurred to not blurred. Coolest thing ever. I also love how the icons just blend into the sky. It's so chef's kiss. But yeah, that was basically it for my iOS 17 customization of home screen. I didn't show this in the other video because it was too long, but here it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if you are going to also do this starty one because it's so sick. So sick. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. See you later. Don't wanna go down like this. My head's in a place